Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. This video is made especially for Reno 15 Pro Max users. Today we will talk about OTG not working problem if your phone is not attaching OTG devices properly. So if this video helps you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon for more useful videos. Now let's begin.